Hi, in this example, let us subtract these two polynomials. So we have these two polynomials. Let us say first polynomial is px and second polynomial is qx. So we actually need to perform px minus qx. Okay, let us rewrite the subtraction. We have to subtract qx from px. And that means we have to subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial, right? So we can write px minus qx something like 4x to the power 6 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 2x plus 9, and from this we have to subtract 7x to the power 5 minus 2x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 3x minus 4. Okay, and in order to perform this subtraction, let us first try to distribute the negative sign. You see there is a negative sign, so we need to distribute the negative sign, this negative sign, to the second polynomial, right? So how we do it? We only need to change sign of each term within this polynomial. Say for example, this is 7x to the power 5, which means this is plus 7x to the power 5. So this is going to be minus 7x to the power 5, right? And there is a minus sign. So after distributing the negative sign, this is going to be plus 2x to the power 4, right? This is plus, this is going to be minus 6x square. This plus will become minus plus 4, right? So after first polynomial, I have to write the second polynomial after distributing its negative sign, right? So this polynomial I have to write. Okay, so I will write it as 4x to the power 6 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9, right? After distributing the negative sign, we get this. So I will write minus 7x to the power 5 plus 2x to the power 4 minus 6x square minus 3x plus 4. Okay, because you see after distributing the negative sign, what we got, this plus sign will become minus, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus, and this minus sign minus 4, it became plus 4, right? Now I have to arrange the like terms. Like terms means the terms having the same degree of x. Say for example, here we have x to the power 6. So I have to search for another term having the same degree of x, right? So when I see here x to the power 6, I do not see any other term which has same power of x. So I will write it as it is. This is equal to 4x to the power 6, right? And after that, let me find out the lower power of x. First we had 6. So second power of x is x to the power 5. You see here x to the power 5. Now I need to see, is there any more term where x is having a degree of 5? We don't have any, right? So I will write this next, minus 7 x to the power 5. Okay. After that, the next power of x is 4, minus 3x to the power 4. But what I see here also we have x to the power 4. So I will write these two terms together. Okay. Let us write it plus, and within the bracket I will write these two terms, 3x to the power 4 and plus 2x to the power 4. Within a bracket I have written because we have to further simplify this. And after x to the power 4 we have x to the power 3. Here we have x to the power 3. But I do not see any other term where we have x to the power 3. I will write it as it is, plus 5x to the power 3. After that, x to the power 2. Here we have only one term where we have x to the power 2. So I am going to write it as minus 6x square. After that, x. Here minus 2x and here minus 3x. In a bracket I can write minus 2x minus 3x. Okay. And after that, we have 9 and 4. These are constants. Plus 9 plus 4. Okay, now we are going to simplify the like terms. Minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4. This is nothing but minus x to the power 4. Okay. Then minus 2x minus 3x is minus 5x, right? And 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay. So I will write it down. This is equal to 4x to the power 6 minus 7x to the power 5, and this is minus x to the power 4. Let us write it like this: plus 5x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus in a bracket minus 5x plus in a bracket 13. Okay, so this is going to be 4x to the power 6 minus 7x to the power 5. This plus sign when gets multiplied by minus sign, this becomes minus x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 6x square. Again, this plus sign when multiplied by minus sign will become minus 5x plus 13, because there is a plus sign before 13. When plus is multiplied by plus, this results in plus 13. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the final result when we subtract second polynomial from the first polynomial. 4x to the power 6 minus 7x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power 3 minus 6x square minus 5x plus 13. Okay, hope you understood this concept. In my next video, I will bring more such examples, more difficult examples, so that your concept of subtracting two polynomials will become easier, right? Thank you for watching.